flying is pretty cool. But I've got to get back to being me again. Then, Pajarita, let's sing together. Na 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 na. She's not singing with you, Emma. I know. Na 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 na. Why isn't she singing? I don't know, but we'd better find out. First, we need to get Emma. I mean, that bird who's in Emma's body out of the tree.
Come on down, Emma.
Remember, Pablo, she's not really Emma. She's a bird who just looks like Emma. I'm Emma.
Oh, right.
Let's call to her in Spanish. To tell her to come, please, we have to say, ven, por favor. Can you say, ven, por favor? Great! Say, ven, por favor. Ven, por favor. Louder! Ven, por favor.
Whoa!
Uh-oh! Emma was inside the bird's house and her body falls onto Pablo!